Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile guys Wi-Fi full setting. How to use Wi-Fi setting, how to connect Wi-Fi network, how to disconnect Wi-Fi network one by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your iqoo mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, click your network internet setting and open your phone Wi-Fi setting and turn on Wi-Fi from right side. Click here, Wi-Fi will open. After turn on Wi-Fi, refresh your Wi-Fi setting first of all. After refresh guys, select your nearby device Wi-Fi network. So when I have Mukesh Wi-Fi, so I will enter my Wi-Fi network password. After enter password friends, you want to check your iqoo mobile Wi-Fi password. So friends, you can check Wi-Fi password. Connect option, click here and friends Wi-Fi network will connect. After 4 and 5 seconds, Wi-Fi network will connect. And friends, now you can use Wi-Fi network. You can use YouTube app, you can use Instagram, WhatsApp app. You have, so friends, you can use it. After connect Wi-Fi. So like that friends, we can connect Wi-Fi network and friends we can use it. Again friends, open your phone setting, network internet setting and friends click here Wi-Fi setting. Setting icon friends right side click here. You want to disconnect this network friends, click here Wi-Fi network will disconnect. After disconnect friends, you cannot use this Wi-Fi network in your device. And friends, if you swipe here friends, you can check save network. Click here. Again friends, you want to connect, you can connect. Friends, you want to share Wi-Fi mobile to mobile, you can share Wi-Fi network from here mobile to mobile. And friends, if you click forget option, click here. After forget friends, save network will remove and you cannot use iqoo while save network. And friends, you want to check your Wi-Fi data uses, so you can check Wi-Fi data uses from here. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi setting, we can check Wi-Fi data uses in iqoo mobile. And friends, you can see this icon if you click here. So friends, you can join Wi-Fi network with QR code. Scan QR code in this frame, inside the frame, and friends, you can join Wi-Fi network with QR code. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi full setting in iqoo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubts? So friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.